I've been here, it's about to be 5 years, and ever since I was in Haiti, I've been writing poetry every time that I have some feelings to write down. But unfortunately, it's in French, and I'm sorry about it. But I know some of you probably understand. Let me give you a brief resume about it, summary about it. It's about like, I know some people, when they want to accomplish something, they want to get something done. They faces a lot of obstacles which make them give up. But I want to tell you that there is hope. I want to tell you that to keep going forward. Go forward, no matter what. Because I believe you're not alone. Even though you don't see anybody here, but you're not alone. You just gotta have something that I call faith.
Yeah.
Well, I don't call
It is.
it. It's faith. All right. So, suis ta route. Suis ta route, même s'il pleut, tout va venir peu à peu. Sois patient et modeste, et l'avenir en dira le reste. Le Seigneur est toujours présent, en tout lieu, à chaque instant. Même si le vent souffle, suis ta route. Fais ton travail sans aucun doute. Suis ta route sans regarder derrière. Après le résultat, tout le monde sera fier. Le travail est dur, mais son fruit est douce, et tu feras la fierté de ta race. N'aie pas peur si ta route est brisée. Sache que tu passeras comme une fusée. Ne sois même pas arrogant et égoïste, mais plutôt sage et très optimiste.
Amen.
Ta route est bien tracée. Tu es né pour être y passé. Travaille positivement coûte que coûte. Et la foi et confiance, puis suis ta route. Thank you.